Welcome to the Auto Show. Our review of the 2025 Audi TT Roadster, a car that's as exhilarating to drive as it is stunning to behold. Let's dive into what makes this Roadster a standout in its class. First up, the design. The 2025 Audi TT Roadster boasts a sharp, aerodynamic profile that's unmistakably Audi. Its bold single-frame grille, flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights, gives it an aggressive yet refined look. And with the soft top down, you get to enjoy open-air driving at its finest. Step inside, and you're greeted with a driver-focused cockpit. The Audi Virtual Cockpit takes center stage with a 12.3-inch digital display that puts all your driving information right at your fingertips. The interior is a blend of luxury and sportiness, with leather sports seats that cradle you in comfort, no matter how fast you're going. Under the hood, the 2025 TT Roadster offers two engine options, a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine with 228 horsepower or the more potent 288 horsepower variant in the TTS model. Paired with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system, the TT Roadster grips the road with confidence, delivering a 0 to 60 time as quick as 4.6 seconds. But it's not just about speed. The TT Roadster's adaptive suspension and precise steering offer a driving experience that's both engaging and comfortable. Whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling tight corners, this car responds with agility and poise. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2025 TT Roadster comes equipped with a suite of driver assistance features, including lane assist, parking sensors, and advanced stability control, ensuring you're as safe as you are stylish. In the 2025 Audi TT Roadster, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in an experience. It's the perfect blend of style, performance, and technology, all wrapped up in a package that begs to be driven. So, if you're in the market for a roadster that turns heads and quickens pulses, look no further.